Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot. We are back at the pub, about to get into some super good deals this week. Y'all know how I do around here. We're not going to waste any time. Let's jump right into them. So first deal we're going to be grabbing is a great deal on the Tidy Cats cat litter. I'm going to grab this from my grandmother's cat since it's such a good deal this week. These are buy one, get one for $10.19. You can do this deal all digital or you can do with paper coupons, whichever you prefer. If you want to do it all digital, then clip these two coupons in your Publix app. We have a $2 off one and a $1 off one that will save you $7 at the register. We also have these $2 printable coupons on coupons.com, so you can use either or. I'm going to use these just so I get that higher value of $2 off each one, and I'm going to pay $6.19 at the register for two of these. And then after we pay that $6.19, we're going to submit over to Ibotta for $2 back on each one. That is going to make final cost for two of these just $2.19 or $1.10 each, and that is a great price. That's like 90% off. This next deal I'm going to be grabbing, I wanted to grab 4 of these, but my store only has 2 left. We're going to get 2 of these Fancy Feast Gems cat food. These are buy one get one for $2.50. So we're going to pick up 2 for $2.50. Now go into your Publix app because we have a $1.50 off of 2 digital coupon on these. I actually have 2 of these coupons. This is why I wanted to pick up 4 of them, because I could pick up 4 for $5 and then use 2 of these $1.50 printable coupons. I would pay just $2 at the register. And then on Ibotta, we would also get back 50 cents on each one. It also is counting for these other rebates. I'm not sure how it qualifies for rice, but I will take it. 50 cents back on each one. So when we pick up 2 of them, we're going to get $1 back there. So we would pay $1 after the coupons and get $1 back from Ibotta, making 2 of these free 99. The best deal this week is definitely on the Airwick plug-in. So these are buy one get one this week for $6.49. Hopefully you guys clip your digital coupons every single week, because if you clip your coupons, then you have both of these now in your Publix app for buy one get one, and we have a $2 off, and both of these are going to apply if you have an old system store. So on the old system at Publix, when you have that buy one get one sale and a buy one get one free digital coupon, both items become completely free. The sale pays for one, the coupon pays for the second one, and that is going to make us pay $0 at the register. But because we have this extra $2 off, that's going to come off as well, y'all, and that's going to give us $2 in overage that will apply to some of the other items that we're purchasing. Make sure that when you do this deal, if you're on the old system, that you have something to absorb that overage, especially if you're going to self-checkout. If you go to self-checkout and you just have these 2 items and those 2 coupons clipped, one of them is not going to come off because you need something to absorb that overage. So make sure that you have something else in that transaction to allow this overage to pay for it. I'm actually going to do this deal a couple times using a few different Publix accounts. So I'm going to stock up and I'm going to grab 6 of these, because when we're getting paid, it is time to go on ahead and stock up, and my store has plenty, so we're going to go on ahead and get plenty. This next deal I'm excited about because I was looking for a deal on these last week. I think they were buy one get one last week, or they were on sale last week, but I remember that none of the Ibotta offers were stacking up with the ones that were on sale. Well, now this week they are. So we have a sale on these tall storage bags right here. These are on sale for $2.50 each, and we have $1 back on Ibotta, so they'll be just $1.50. You could also grab these produce bags right here on the same sale, and we also have Ibotta on these. So for these tall storage bags, after the $1 back on Ibotta for each one, there'll be 2 for $3 or just $1.50 per box. If you pick up the produce bags, I have 75 cents back on Ibotta. These will be $1.75. Next thing we're going to grab is a Publix whole young turkey. So these are on sale for 49 cents a pound, you guys. This is probably the best price of the year. So if you need a turkey for Thanksgiving, this is the time to get it. And if you did your Ibotta offer where you referred somebody, this should probably count, and this will turn this into a moneymaker. I've already redeemed my Ibotta offer, at Walmart. So I would have to pay for this turkey, but I'm going to use some of the overage from the Airwick. So even the huge ones, even the ones that are big, this is a 21 pound, it's 20.97 pound turkey. It's only $10. So you can get a smaller one for really cheap, and that's what I'm going to do. So I just picked up this 13-pound turkey. This is a good size, perfect size for my grandmother. I'm going to take this to her so she can make this for Thanksgiving. So this is $6.54. This is a great donation item as well, so you can give back to others and make sure that everybody has a turkey this Thanksgiving. I'm going to show you how much I'm going to pay for this after the overage from the Airwick. This is a beautiful, beautiful deal. And here's my receipt for that transaction with my turkey. I got the 2 Airwick and the 13-pound turkey. I paid out $4.54, you guys. That is absolutely amazing. I saved $28 alone just on the turkey. Next money maker we're grabbing is on the Buitoni pasta. So my store does not have the cheaper ones tagged, but these are actually included in the buy one get one sale that are $2.79. So we're going to pick up 2 of those, and we're going to use 2 of the $2 printable coupons that you can get from their emails when you sign up. So we'll have $4 in coupons for these 2 products that are going to cost us $2.79 after the sale. That's going to make 2 of these completely free, plus a $1.21 moneymaker. Yes. Next up, I'm grabbing one of these Jones Dairy Farm Golden Brown products. I've actually fallen in love with their turkey sausage. I've been eating it a lot lately since we had the last deal that we had on these, so I'm definitely going to grab it this week. So I'm going to pick up 1.5 BOGO state. That will be just $1.95. Minus this $1 digital coupon, it'll be 95 cents. For my Florida people, you want to pick up 2 of them. It'll be $2.90 minus this $1 digital. You'll pay $1.45 each. Next thing I'm grabbing is the Eagle brand milk. Let me zoom in on this. So this is buy one get one for $3.49. We have 25 cents back on each one on Ibotta. So that'll make them $1.50 per can. I want to make some Rice Krispie treats for the holidays, and so I'm gonna grab some good deals on some Rice Krispies. Now I actually printed off $1 off of 2 printable coupons from the Kellogg's website, but we're actually not going to need those printable coupons because there's coupons on the product. So I'm gonna pick up a total of 2 boxes of these, and we're going to use the $1 off of 2 coupons on the boxes. But if your store does not have these, you can also print them. And looking at the Pillies, they don't expire until 2026, so I'm actually going to hold on to those and go ahead and use my printable coupons that I printed off from the website. Now for these, it'll be $5.79 for 2 after the buy one get one sale. We're going to get $1 back on each one on Ibotta, so that'll bring it down to $3.79 for 2, minus our $1 coupon as well. It'll be $2.79 for 2 or $1.39 per box. The Welch's V8 Splasher buy one get one for $2.39. So you want to pick up 2 and then submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each one. That'll make final cost on these just 69 cents per bottle. The Welch's non-alcoholic sparkling juices are buy one get one for $4.49, and we have $1.25 back on each one on Ibotta. So I'm going to pick up 2 of them for $4.49. I'll get back $2.50 from Ibotta. It makes these just 99 cents. If you're a fan of Gold Peak tea, these are on sale for $1.66 each this week. So you could pick up a total of 2 of these and use our BOGO digital coupon and get 2 for $1.66. This is a pretty decent deal if you do need this product. These are buy 2 save $4 this week, and their price is low as $5.99 if you pick up the sticks. We have a 6 off of 2 digital coupon for them, and that'll leave you to pay just $1.98 at the register for 2, or make them 99 cents each. And then of course you want to submit over to Fetch Rewards for these as well. The Arm & Hammer toothpaste is back on sale for buy one get one. If you can pick up just 1 of these for $2.50, you can use the $2 digital coupon and pay just 50 cents for 1. The next deal I wanted to grab, because I love the keto breads, are the Nature's Own protein loaf. I see the spot for it, but my store doesn't have any in stock. So this is $7.45 in my store. We do have a $2 digital coupon, which will bring it down to $5.45. And we also have $1.50 back on Ibotta and $1.50 back on Fetch. That'll make it $2.45, which is not too bad from the regular price. Next deal I'm grabbing is on the P & Gerry's organic eggs. So I'm going to pick up 2 of these. These are pretty pricey. They're They're normally $10 a carton. Right now, they're on sale for $7.99. I'm going to pick up 2 of them for $7.99 because I have this BOGO aisle offer that says when I buy 2, I'll get 1 for free. So I'm going to pick up 2, and I'm hoping that that means when I buy 2, I'm going to get 1 for free. Like I pick up 2, it's BOGO. I think that's what this means. So I'm going to test it out and see how much I'll give. Now, if Al is expecting me to pick up a total of 3 of these, then I'm going to return these 2, but I'm hoping that they just mean I need to pick up 2 and they'll pay me for 1. So that's what I'm going to do, and then that will leave me to pay $7.99 for 2 after aisle, and then on Ibotta, we have $1 back on each one. So that'll make final cost for these just $5.99 for 2 or $2.99 a piece. This week, the Neutrogena products are on a $3 instant savings, and that includes the wipes that are $5.79. With the $3 off sale with no coupons needed when you pick up one of these, it's just going to be $2.79. But we also have the spend 30, get 10, or spend 20, get 5. Or you could also do the spend 75, I think get 25, activate rewards. The information for that is on my blog. But that usually will count the pre-sale price at Publix if you're on the old system. So if you are, you can work out a really good deal, which I think I'm going to do this week. I am going to stack that Neutrogena deal with this deal on the Tylenol Cold and Flu Severe. So these are marked for $8.99 in my store, but they're actually on sale for $6.99. I'm going to do the spend 30, get 10, activate rewards, and I'm going to pick up 3 of these towards that promotion for $6.99. To get to the $30 mark, I'm going to grab one of these Neutrogena Hydro Boost cleansers. This is $10.29, no coupons, but we will save $3 off at the register, and I have this fetch offer for $3 back. If you don't have the fetch offer for $3 back, you could also get 2 of the makeup remover towelettes. Now keep in mind with these that these are on an active recall, but only certain varieties. I think is this one right here, but make sure that you check the recall information to make sure that you pick up one that's good. You could also get this cleanser right here as an alternate. It's a little bit cheaper. It's $9.99. Now the reason I'm picking up 3 of these Tylenols is because not only are they on sale for $6.99, but we have 2 $2 coupons, and we also have a 5 off of 15 coupon, and all 3 of those should come off on 3 bottles since we have over $20 in products, and we only need over $19 worth of products for all 3 to apply. So because we have over $20 worth, I got that $10 item as well. We're going to be good to go. So all 4 of these total up to $31.26. I'm going to save $3 instantly at the register with the sale for the Neutrogena. And then I am also going to have $9 in digital coupons for the Tylenol. So I would have to pay out $19.26. Then I'm going to get back the $3 on fetch for the Neutrogena. And I am also, if I can hit this minus button, going to get back that $10 from Activate Rewards. It is going to make final cost for these 4 items just $6.26. When we divide that up, that makes each one of these items just $1.56, which is a great price for any of these. And when you're doing an Activate Rewards deal, again, make sure that you're on the old system if you're doing this deal, and make sure that whatever you pick up is on the participating items list. And I think I'm going to come back a little bit later in the week to grab this deal, but I wanted to share it with you guys because I think it's a really good way to get stocked up on some cold medicine because it's getting cold. But I'm going to be doing a few transactions already, and my receipt is going to be super long, so I don't want to add this into the mix. It's going to make me have to be in the store too long, but I definitely wanted to share this deal with you guys. That I am not going to grab right now because this is going to add 2 more rebate apps that I need to submit back to. And again, I'm trying to keep it quick and get in and out of here today, so I'll come back a little bit later and do this as well. But this is a really good deal, especially if you like this product. So you want to grab this Wassa crisp bread. These are on sale, buy one get one for $3.99. From my half BOGO people, pick up 3 of them. If you're in Florida, pick up 2 or pick up 4. If you're in half BOGO, pick up 3 of these. These will be $2 each, so 3 will be $6. Submit over to Merrifield because that has a limit of 3. You're going to get back $6 from Merrifield. And then also check your Fetch Rewards to see if you have this offer for $2 back when you spend 5. That'll turn this into a $2 moneymaker. And of course, if you're in Florida and you pick pick up 2 of these, you would still pay $4, get back $4 from Merrifield. It would make it free. Now you would have to buy a little bit more in order to qualify for that Fetch Rewards offer, because it's going to count the amount after the sale. So if you want to do Fetch as well, then you would pick up 4 in Florida. I'm not going to grab these, but these are buy one get one free this week, and we have a $1.50 digital coupon. If you can pick up just one for $3.74, if you're in a state other than Florida, it'll be $2.24 for one. If you're in Florida and you need to pick up 2, then final cost will be $6 for 2 boxes or $3 each. So let's go over these transactions. I ended up splitting my order into 2 more transactions because I wanted to do 2 more of those Airwick transactions and get that overage, and also submit back on Ibotta to me and my husband's account. So in the first transaction, I got my V8, I got the Pete and Gerry eggs, I got my Airwick, I got the sparkling apple cider, I also got my Rice Krispie treats and my sausage. It came up to $26.60 after my coupons. First thing that worked out well, I got back $7.99 for the Pete and Gerry's eggs from Aisle. So that is a buy one get one offer. So that works out to $3 per case for those organic eggs that are normally $10 per case. So that's a pretty good deal. And when I submitted over to Ibotta really glitched out, y'all. So that Airwick, the linen sit that I picked up, is attaching to that $175 Airwick offer on Ibotta when you scan in for your receipt. And somehow, not only did it give me credit for the 2 that I purchased, it somehow gave me credit for 4. So I got back $7 for the Airwick in that transaction. So I ended up getting back $17.50 from Ibotta for that transaction. That Airwick was a super moneymaker. Plus the $7.99 that I got back from Aisle, that transaction ended up costing me only $1.11. And then the second transaction that I did, I got my Buitoni pasta, I got my Ziploc bags, more Airwick, the Eagle condensed milk, I got my Fancy Feast and my Tidy Cats as well, and more of the sausage. After my coupons in that transaction, I paid out $12.92. Now this one, it worked out good, but I had another glitch with Ibotta. So I got credit for the Airwick again. So it gave me $3.50 this time for the Airwick, which makes a little bit more sense because I only picked up 2 of them. But it did not give me credit for the 2 Tidy Cats cat litter that I purchased. And when I went to add it to my receipt to show that, that I purchased those 2 and I needed the $4, it wasn't even on my list for me to add. So something is going on with that Tidy Cats on Ibotta, at least for me anyway. So I would have to put in a ticket in order to get that back. So do keep that in mind if you are going to do that deal, that there's something going on there. When it pulls up to actually submit for the offer, it was no longer on my list, but I can search for the offer. There's something weird going on there. So I did not get that $4 back, but I did get $3.50 for the Airwick for some reason. So I didn't even bother submitting a ticket because I've gotten back like 11 extra dollars just from the Airwick. So them shorting me the $4, it just all works out. I'm still up $7. So it worked out anyway. So I ended up getting back a total of $12.20 from Ibotta from that transaction. Since I paid out $12.92, it made everything 72 cents. So $1.11 plus 72 cents. I ended up spending out less than $2 for both of those transactions. When you add in the $4.54 that I spent for the turkey as well, I spent under $7 for everything that I picked up today. Publix was absolutely amazing this week. And again, I'm going to go back and do a couple more deals. I'll do that Wassa crisp bread, that's a moneymaker, and I'll also do the Neutrogena and the Tylenol and test that as well, because I think that's going to be a really good deal to get stocked up on some cold medicine. But I want to get this video up a little bit earlier, so I'm trying to reduce the number of rebates that I have to submit back for, because that takes up so much time. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.